Hey guys, Ed Productions here, and today I'm taking a look at the OnePlus 8T, 12 gigabytes of RAM, 256 gigabytes of storage, Snapdragon 865, 48 megapixel camera, 6.55 inch screen, and this was released October 16th of 2020, and this is a phone I've been wanting to get forever. It's absolutely awesome. It looks awesome. The box looks cool. It's a red, pretty long box, pretty simplistic too. And on the back you have all your cancer information and RAM, ROM, the color, aquamarine green, which was the best. You know, you can't be picking silver, that's too bland. And this is running Android 11, Oxygen OS 11.4. And this was $650 on Amazon, but this retails for around $750. Link in the description down below if you guys are trying to get it for cheap. And yeah, sorry I haven't been making a video in a while. I really couldn't find any content, and I didn't have time. Alright, so let's get right into this. And you don't really need a knife, because there's a pull tab on the back, which is nice. Also, I've made a new little change to my videos. Now I've added a different angle too. That requires so much more work if you don't have two cameras, but it looks really nice. I like the result of it. Let me know if you guys enjoy. Leave a comment down below. And this has 4 cameras and a hole punch front facing camera. Let's get the box open. It's got a nice vacuum seal type open. There we go. That looks really cool, the 2 different angles. And right up here we have all our paperwork. Quick start guide and all. And this does support 5G. Okay, so we have an invitation letter, which is basically just a message from the CEO, I guess. And there's a SIM ejector on the bottom of this. You guys can pause it and read it if you guys want to. It's just saying, you know, the OnePlus 8T is a different breed, different species, different specimen. It's not your average iPhone, it's not your average Samsung. It's just a whole different breed. And here's your quick start guide with graphics. Here's the back of it, just a bunch of text. And I'm not sure what this is, highest SAR value. It's, I guess, how much you're getting off a phone for how much it weighs. And it's 188 grams, by the way. Relatively light. And OnePlus stickers, obviously. And your safety information here. Just telling you that you're going to get cancer by this phone eventually. No, but in all realism, all phones can give off radiations that emit cancer waves, so that doesn't really make any sense, but you know, don't hold your phone for too long. And here it is. Wow. Looks awesome. Looks even better from the second angle. And let's go over the specs real quick. This has a Snapdragon 865, 12 gigabytes of RAM, 48 megapixel quad cameras. They're not each 48 megapixel, but it has 4 cameras and one on the front. 6.55 inch screen, 1080 by 2400 pixels, and a 4500 milliamp hour LiPo battery. And this supports Warp Charge 65, the fastest charging you're gonna get in a phone. 0 to 75 in about 20 minutes or so. That's awesome. It also has 2 batteries, not 1, 2. They're split up into 2, and that's really cool. This also has a 120 Hz screen, Fluid AMOLED, HDR10 Plus, and it's supported by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. And this supports dual SIM, and it has an aluminum frame. Yeah, here's the charging brick. And the GPU is an Adreno 650. Has an octa-core CPU. This also comes with a pre-installed screen protector, little NFC place, and they're saying do not try to disassemble the phone on your own. And wow, that looks absolutely amazing. Like, look at that quad camera design, the little teal, aquamarine, green color. It's just so good. It's a glass back, does not support wireless charging, but that's that. Let's take off the sticker so we can appreciate the phone more. Awesome, man. From someone who has a OnePlus 6T, this looks amazing. Okay, your USB Type-C charging port, SIM slot, microphone, speaker, volume up and down, power button, and here's the alert slider, puts it to vibrate or mute. And yeah, let's power this thing on. There's me right there with my good old OnePlus 6T. Like, I want to upgrade to this phone, but there's like barely any reasons to upgrade except for a better camera quality and you know, just the coolness factor. But that's pretty much it. And there's your hole punch cutout for the camera. Really nice, huge, big, clean, crisp, clear display. It's absolutely amazing. Accept the terms and conditions. And let's set up Wi-Fi real quick. I skipped it, but then I go back. Go way back. Then enter the Wi-Fi password real quick. I was just checking for updates. And while it does that, let's take a moment to appreciate the back of this phone again. It actually is a little lighter than what's showing up on camera. I guess that's just because of lighting that I have. Copy data, no thanks. If I'm keeping this phone, I'd do that, but unfortunately I'm not. Hertz. Speaking of hertz, this is a 120 hertz display. And haptics on this phone are pretty nice too. Every touch you make, the haptics turn on. Very nice. I was like, you know what? Why not? Let's just plug it in, just to see. OnePlus co-creation. This is like a beta testing program. No, thank you. Let's just skip that for now. And gestures. It's a little bit different than what I have on my 6T. But yeah, you just scroll from the left to right to go back, up, down. And fluid, 120 hertz screen, as you can see, it's really fluid. Now, you're probably not going to be able to tell how fluid it is unless you have a phone that supports 120 hertz. Okay, and let's just go into screen calibration just to see if it is set to 120, and which, by the way, it is. So it has 120 or 60, you can choose. There's no 90, unfortunately. So with 120 hertz, you're sacrificing a little bit of battery life, but you gotta live your life. And here's a little quick camera test. This is ultra wide. That's my favorite mode on any camera. Love it. Just look at that. It's amazing. Now, OnePlus phones are not really the highlight. Like, their highlight is not the camera, because they don't have the best cameras. They have pretty good cameras, but it's nothing to go crazy over. But yeah, here's a audio test. And this controller is just absolutely amazing. No. Oh my god. Alright, so now taking a closer look at this, very nice design. And that's pretty much it. I'm just going to be showing you guys the fluid screen, just keep on scrolling. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you guys would like to purchase this phone, link in the description down below. Get $100 off while you can. This is a pretty nice phone, pretty powerful. This is like somewhere in between mid-range and higher end. It's like a flagship basically. It's more towards the high-end design. Really good phone, so clean. Really wish I could keep it. This phone is absolutely amazing. One day I'll probably get it, but there's not much of a reason to upgrade right now. So maybe OnePlus 9? Who knows? Thanks for watching. Bye.